this is Mary White from MW for Designs, and I'm going to show you how you can create a WordPress.com blogging website or WordPress.com just website. So there is going to be a lot to this, so it's going to be in multiple parts. This will be the first part, and the first part will just be signing up. So the very first thing you're going to need is an email address that you want to use, because it will actually send a notification to the email address. So what you want to do is go to WordPress.com. There is the Getting Started, so you can just go ahead and click the Getting Started. You can actually tell it what your site's going to be about. You don't have to put any of this information in. You can just go ahead and continue. So you can answer these questions or you don't have to. So I'm just going to say mine's for training. What's your site going to be? And mine's going to be about WordPress. You want your site name to be, and it is going to be WordPress Ed, okay, for education. So we'll see if I can find that. How comfortable you creating a website, it'll give you the options. If you're a beginner or expert, you can actually pick any of those, but you don't have to. I'm going to just kind of turn that over. Enter a name or keyword for the site URL that you'd like. If you already have a domain, you can actually link it here. I don't have a domain, so I'm going to do WordPress Education, and it will search and see if it can find it. So there is a WordPress Education, but look at all of those numbers before it. So there's lots of numbers there. And I'm going to just put a WP after it. So WordPress Education, WordPress. There is WordPress Blog, WordPress Education, School. There's orgs, so these would actually be premium. Anywhere it says premium, you have to buy. So I'm just going to stay with the WordPress Education WP, and I'm going to select that. We're going to stay with the free version. If you want to look at these personal, premium, and business, we'll talk about those later. These are more the pay to play, where you get a little extra for each of these as you upgrade. So I'm going to actually start for free. I'm going to put in my email address, and White for Designs. I'm 32 at gmail.com. I created this just for this video. I'm going to give it a password so you can actually see or not see the password as you're typing it. Since I'm doing this for a video, I'm going to make sure we don't see the password. So this is the name, my username. This is my email address, and this is my password. If I go ahead and do continue, it will just take a second, because now it's going to load the WordPress and the database for us, and it is sending a message to our Gmail account for us to confirm. So we will come over to our Gmail account. It will say that, do you want to activate this? Click here to confirm, and they just make sure that you're not a bot, that you are an actual human being, and it allows you to begin. And as soon as it does, it says welcome to WordPress, and it's going to bring up all these nice little tips. So this is the way to manage your site. This is considered your dashboard. Okay, everything on the left here is your dashboard. Everything across the top is your application menu. So this all is displayed within a browser, but this is considered your dashboard. Right now, this is the stats. It actually gives you some analytics right away. The plan, we're using the free plan. We can manage the different pages that we have on our site. We can actually manage the different blog posts we can add or view. We can add media, comments, and then the themes. So we can actually customize it or view the themes that we have associated. And these are all the different themes that are available. You can actually look at all the pages, site pages. So right now we have the blog post page, which shows up as our front page, and we have our contact page. So honestly, we only have two pages. and that comes standard when you create a WordPress.com account. Blog post, it comes with a single blog post. All of these things that it comes with, we have the option to delete, and I recommend you probably do want to delete them. The media, also, it comes with 2 pictures, so you have the option to go ahead and upload new media and photos, or use the 2 that they've given us here. I recommend you upload new and ones that you own. Comments, this allows you to view all the comments associated with your WordPress website. And then settings. We'll come to settings real quick. The settings allow us to go through and just kind of see the title of our website. So WP Education is what I want it to be. The tagline, learning WordPress.com. Okay, and then if you want to buy a custom URL, this is where you buy it, but right now this is our URL. And we're English, but there are 70 different languages. I think there's actually more than 70 languages. The time code, I'm in Kansas, so -6. I think it's -6 or 7. You can also add the city. I think Chicago's in here somewhere. So I'm going to come down to America and try to find Chicago right there. So Chicago and Kansas City, we share the same time frame. Privacy, mine's going to be public, so everything I do on this website is out for everybody to see. To remove the credit, the footer from the credit, I do have to pay. That is a premium thing, so right now it is going to stay with WordPress.com. For some reason you want to delete this WordPress website or blog, you have the option to delete it, but we're not going to do that. So I'm going to quit that. So we're going to visit the site. It should take us to visit the site. And this is what the WordPress.com website looks like. And this is our URL. All of the hosting, all the security, all the backups, and all of the updates are done by WordPress.com. So this is awesome. All we have to do is go create our pages, our posts, and all the content that we want to put in here, and we've got an actual website on the internet. So the next video that I'm going to create is going to show you how to create 3 more pages. So we'll have a home page, an About Us page, a contact page, and we'll think of maybe an FAQ page. We'll think about another page that we're going to create. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. If you have questions or comments, please post them below. If you like this video, please subscribe. There'll be more videos out there like this. If you would like me to go through something else with WordPress.com, or if you want me to do something else with WordPress, or just simple tips and tricks with computers, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Talk to you later.